Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, March 26th. We had 6 trades, pulled out 24.3 pips. 4 of them were full-size scalps. 2 were more of a swing, only 20% normal size. Not a whole lot of economic news to go over. There was news numbers that came out at 9:45 market service index. Which is like a medium level volatility type number. Came in pretty much in line, maybe just a hair above. So not much to talk about on that end. So let's get to the trades. Like I said, 6 trades, pulled out 24.3 pips. You're going to see here full. 4 of them were full size scalps. First one you're looking at here is Euro US dollar. We were long this 1.09672. Again, it's just a scalp, 5, 6, 3, 8, 10 pips, whatever you could get. We picked up 7.8. Looked like it was having a little trouble popping, and all of a sudden it popped right after we sold it. It popped, and then a matter of an hour or 2 or 3 hours later, the thing really started to scream north. But again, it's just a scalp, so you're looking for just a quick move. Australian dollar, US dollar was very busy last night. We were trading this. We got short initially. The first one, 0.78435. Picked up 8.4 pips. Got another signal to short 0.7829. Covered that 0.78263. Picked up 2.7 pips. And then it started to move back up. And when it was coming back down, we got another signal to go short 0.78335. Felt like we were going to the well a little bit too many times. Grabbed a quick 4.7 pips there. And then again, matter of minutes after we covered it, it came all the way down to the figure. I mean, it was just unbelievable how fast it moved. Didn't see that coming at all. Thought that was going to happen after the second short, which we only picked up the 2.7 pips on. Thought it was going to make a move quicker, to the downside, which wouldn't have surprised us. And when we saw it bounce and we got another signal, that's why we were a little bit more cautious on it. But it did just what we thought it was going to do. And then went to the figure and bounced off the figure overnight. This is, while we're not in the office. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We were short this, 95.513. We only had, this was a swing. We only had 20% of our normal size, picked up 12.1 pips, grabbing 2.4. It was getting frustrating during the day, during the afternoon, watching it, or I should say early evening. Just it looked like it was going to break down, and it just wouldn't. So we ended up covering it. Like I said, picked up the 2.4 when you adjust it for size. And then several hours later, I guess overnight, while we weren't watching it, it did break down. We were looking to cover somewhere just ahead of the figure. I believe we were sitting right around 95.10, which we would have got hit. But, I think we just got a little impatient with that. And again, it's tough to piece out when you have such small size. But we'll take it. Better than a loss. And then the last one was euro to yen. Overnight, we got hit 130.778. You can see what it did here while we were not in the office. It really never went in our favor. Obviously, while we were not in the office, it dipped down, bounced back up. We come in the office this morning about 6:30 or so, and we could see it's right around, not too far below where we got long it, but it's struggling. It would break above that 130.75, fall back down, break above 135, fall back down. So we said, let's just take the loss and move on. So we lost 8.2 pips. Adjust that for size, it's 1.7. I mean, it's basically a push, really. Again, it's 20% of our normal size, so you hate to take such small losses or such small gains as in the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen that we just went over. But when you're not seeing them do what they should be doing, and they're having a problem going one way or the other, like in a consolidation, it starts to get frustrating. We like to see them break out of consolidation. After a certain period of time, and this was going on for hours overnight while we were sleeping. Then while we were in the office, it was going on for a couple hours. So we took the loss and moved on. So far, it's been the right move. Although you're only looking at being down about 50 pips right now if you're long where we were. So you're going to be risking a lot more than that. So it's not a big deal. I think it still work out. But we took the loss and we moved on. So that's it. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. It might get active again tonight as far as the full scalps. Hopefully it does. And we traded half our normal size as we do it at the end of every month. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Excuse me. If you're trading now, good luck. Like I said, any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. Have a great rest of your day.